Namaste everyone, welcome back. Today we will work with our tight hamstring, hip and lower back. So let's get started. So let's stretch your both leg forward. We'll start with the half butterfly. Bend your right leg at the knee. Place the right foot over your left thigh. Place the right palm over your right knee. Now inhale, and with exhalation, push your right knee towards the floor. Inhale, lift your right knee up towards the chest. Exhale, press your right knee down. Inhale, lift your right knee up towards the chest. Exhale, push your right knee down. Inhale, lift your right knee towards the chest. Exhale, push your right knee down. Last two times. Inhale, lift your right knee up. Exhale, push your knee towards the down. Inhale, lift up. And stay here for 5. Spine straight, shoulder relaxed. 3, 2, and 1. With exhalation, push your right knee down. Try to touch your knees on the mat for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next exhalation, release your right leg. Shake your both leg. Good. Now we'll change the leg. So bend your left leg at the knee. Place the left foot over your right thigh. Now with exhalation, we'll push the left knee down. Spine straight, shoulder relaxed. Inhale, lift your left knee up towards the chest. Exhale, push your left knee down. Inhale, lift your left knee up. Exhale, push your left knee down. Inhale, lift your left knee up. Exhale, push your left knee down. Last 2 times. Inhale, lift your left knee up towards the chest. Exhale, push your left knee down. Last one we will hold. Inhale, lift your left knee up. Stay up for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. With exhalation, push your left knee down towards the mat for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Very good, everyone. Release the leg, stretch your leg forward, then shake your leg. Next, we'll bend the both leg at the knee. Open your feet wider than your hips. Place the palm behind your hips. Now we'll drop your both knees down towards the right side. Inhale, center. Exhale, left side. Inhale, center. Exhale, right side. Inhale, center. Exhale, left side. Inhale, center. Exhale, right side. Inhale, center. Exhale, left side. One last time. Inhale, center. Exhale, right side. Now we'll stay here. Place the fingertips front of your shin. Then walk your palm forward, forward, forward. Drop your elbow if possible, or forearm completely, then head down for 5 breaths. Or you can stay maybe halfway here for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, head up, press the palm, lift the chest up. Now let's change the side with the other side. Drop the both knees down. Then walk your palm forward. Maybe you can stay here, drop your elbow down, or you can grab the opposite forearm. And head down for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, head up. Press the palm, lift your chest up. Then slowly walk back. Then inhale, bring your knee back to the center. With exhalation, let's release. Shake your leg completely. Next, we'll go for Titlayasana, butterfly. Let's bend the both leg at the knee. Bring the heel closer to the hips. Interlace your finger around your toes. Feet together, spine straight, shoulder relaxed. Relax your knees, your thighs, your ankle, and start moving your knees up and down. You can close your eyes here. Gently move your knees up, down, up, down. Last 10 count. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Then stop moving your knees. Gently open your eyes. Now let's bring the feet forward. We will try to make the diamond shape of our leg. Heels stay 2 to 3 palm distance from your hips. Now let's grab the ankle. Inhale, lift the chest up, lengthen your spine. With exhalation, rest your elbow over your calf or maybe over your knees or thighs. Push your knees down and bend forward. Gently go down. Might be you need block. Feel free to use the block. Rest your forehead and stay here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Then slowly come back. Remove the block. Now from here, let's come into the tabletop position. Open your palms, shoulder width apart, knees hip width apart, toes pointing. Next, we'll go for hip rotation here. Next inhalation, lift the right knee up. Then stretch your right leg back, bend the knee, bring it closer to the elbow, lift up. 5 times, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Change the direction, opposite direction. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Drop your right knee down. Let's change the leg. Inhale, lift the left knee up. Stretch your leg back. Rotate your left hip. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Other direction. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Drop the left knee down. Next, we'll go for cat and cow variation. So inhale, arch your lower back, lift the chest, look up to the ceiling. Exhale, pop up your upper back, look towards the navel. Inhale, arch your lower back, lift your chest, look up. Exhale, round your spine, look towards the navel. Inhale, arch your lower back, lift the chest, look up. Exhale, round your spine, look towards the navel. Inhale, arch your lower back, lift the chest, look up. Exhale, round your spine, look towards the navel. Inhale, arch your lower back, lift the chest, look up. Exhale, round your spine, look towards the navel. One last time, inhale, arch your lower back, lift the chest, look up. Exhale, round your spine, look towards the navel. Inhale, come back to the neutral position. Then tuck your toes under. Good. Lift your knees up. Let's come into the downward facing dog. Just stretch your leg here. Bend your right knee. Extend your left leg. Bend your left knee, extend your right one. Our next inhalation, bend your knee, look front between both your palms. Let's step the right foot front. Left knee down, toes out. Lift the chest up. Might be if you need block, feel free to use the block under your palm. Here, if possible, you can place the palm over your hips. Now we will just bounce your hips up and down. So push hips back, then forward. Similarly with the hands, inhale and exhale 2, 5 more time. Breathe in and exhale. 5, 4. Inhale, lift your hips up. Exhale, push it forward and down. 3, 2, and 1. Let's stay here. Front knee over your ankle. Back leg should be completely straight. And keep pushing your pelvis forward and down. Little easy stretch. Place the palm over your blocks. Lift the chest. Look front. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Release the hand. Let's place the palm on the mat. Let's switch the leg. Step the right leg back and left foot front. Between both your palm, right knee down, toes out. Again, you can use the block. Place the palm over the block or over your hips. Just bounce your hips up and down. 5. Inhale up. Exhale forward and down. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's stay here. Another 5 breath. Lift the chest. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. With exhalation, drop your hands down. Let's step the left leg back. One last stretch will go for our hips and thigh. Now inhale, step the right foot front between both your palm, left knee down. Use the block under your left palm. Inhale, lift the chest up. Reach your right hand back. Bend your left leg at the knee. Catch your left foot. If it's too much for your knee, feel free to use the cushion under your left. Bend your left leg at the knee. Catch your left foot from the outside. Push the heel towards the hips. Now breathe in. With exhalation, we're going to push the pelvis forward and down. Lift the chest. You can look over the right shoulder or towards the right side. For 5 breaths here. This is really nice stretch for your quads. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Next exhalation, look right. Release your left foot. Drop the right hand down. Let's straighten the side. Now we'll step the left foot front between both your palm. Right knee down. You can use the cushion under your right knee. Lift the chest up. Use the one block under your right palm. Now inhale, reach your left hand back. Bend your right leg at the knee. Catch your right foot from the outside. With exhalation, we're going to push the pelvis forward and down. You can adjust your front foot according to your flexibility. Then look over the left shoulder or left side and stay here for 5. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Release your right leg, look front. Release your hand. And let's step your left leg back, come into the child pose, and rest yourself here for a few breaths. Next inhalation, head up, walk your palm back. Then let's sit up, any comfortable posture. I hope you enjoy the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you very much.